Hello guys, welcome back. Christmas is coming. I'm kidding, definitely. Today we are going to make this beautiful crochet Christmas candle. And this is a great tutorial for those who love and enjoy decorating home interiors with different crochet ornaments. And for this applique, I was using 4.5mm crochet hook and worsted weight yarn. So to start, make chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It can be more or less stitches, depends on the yarn you're going to use and your gauge. And in the second stitch we're going to make a single crochet and 5 more single crochet till the end of this row. 2, 3, 4, 5, and in the last stitch 6. Now make chain 1. I hope you can see it clearly. I know the yarn is a little bit dark. And turn. Now you're going to repeat the same 6 single crochet across. Five and 6. So please go on chain 1. Yeah, go on until you have desired length of the body candle. In my case, I'm going to do 8 rows. So this is a row number 3, but it will be also nice if you want to get a little bit smaller candle. My candle will be about 10 centimeters or 4 inches. So just go on, don't forget about chain 1, turn. And couple more times. Five, 6. So now you can compare. I'll need one more row. For the wax melting, I'm going to use white yarn. So I attached white yarn and make 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1, 2, and next single crochet make in the previous row in the third stitch of previous row. So imitation of melting. Now next, the fourth, it will be single crochet again, and the fifth will go even lower, not in the previous but into the sixth row. If you have 8 in total, so this will be the sixth one. And the last single crochet. That's how it looks. Now you're ready to cut the yarn, and we will start with flame, working with flame. So I've done a couple of shapes, flame shapes, but I'll show you only one in this tutorial. So cut the yarn, this one as well. Now let's attach yellow yarn to the third, 1, 2, 3, to the third stitch, and chain, single crochet 1, single crochet 2, chain 1, turn, 2 single crochet in each stitch, 1, 2, 1, 2, chain 1, turn, 4 single crochet, cross, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the next row we are going to decrease, chain 1, turn, and making a decrease here and here, so to get in total 2 stitches, chain 1, turn, and now I'm going to make one more decrease, pull through 3, pull through 1, and we've done. So you're ready to cut the yarn and weave in all ends. Look at this beauty. You can hang it on Christmas tree. So this is a little bit another shape of the flame. So enjoy your crocheting and always feel free to share your experience and ideas with me in a comment section below. Thank you so much for watching again, and hope to see you soon. Bye.